Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Yaje here with another gardening video. So in today's video, I just wanted to share with you how my garden is handling the snow. So yes, we have snow. As you can clearly see, it's been 24 hours and it's still um, sitting in the garden. Snow in Houston is a very rare event. When it happens, we are very excited, but it's a big challenge for gardeners like myself. So when I knew that we were gonna get like um, severe weather, I didn't even imagine this level of snow. I went ahead and covered up my tropical plants, and I failed to cover up the broccoli, onions, spinach, and carrots that I also had growing in the garden. So this morning I came out here and toured the garden to just assess the level of damage, and I thought I'd share with you. So if you would like to see how these vegetables are dealing with this, and also the lowest temperatures that the broccoli, carrots, spinach, and onions can tolerate, then stay tuned. Now let's get started. This is actually happening. Is that snow I see? Oh my god. I wonder if anything is gonna survive. We'll find out. Oh my god, tribe. So yeah, that's the state of the garden. I don't think anything is gonna survive. Snow in Houston. Yeah, even though this looks nice, but for us gardeners, yeah, I don't think any of my efforts to cover anything is gonna work. So just go back inside. Greetings, tribe. I'm here in the garden today, the 22nd of January, to check on the level of damage that the garden has sustained from the snow. So the snow started yesterday in the morning, and it's been 24 hours and it's still sitting pretty on the ground. It has not melted at all. I've been in Houston for about 26 years, I want to say, and I think this is the worst I have seen. We rarely get this. We rarely get snow. Yeah, it's terrible. Before the snowstorm, I tried to cover up some of my tropical plants. They're still covered, as you can see, but I doubt that any of them survived. I'm gonna open them up when the snow must have melted. What I did not cover were my um, were my non-tropical plants, and by that I mean the broccoli, the spinach, the onions, and the carrots. I did not cover those. In my mind, those were gonna survive because last year when we had like a hard freeze, they survived. What I failed to take into consideration is that we did not have snow last year. So with this amount of snow covering the plants, I doubt that any of them are gonna make it. But let's just take a look at the plants as of today. Here we have the spinach sitting pretty, covered with ice. According to what I was able to research and find out, spinach can survive temperatures down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Right now, I think it's about 21 degrees Fahrenheit. But the problem is, I did not cover the spinach. I didn't have enough of the cloth to cover all of the plants, so I did not cover the beds of spinach. It will be a miracle if the spinach survives. I just really beat myself up for not harvesting the spinach before the storm so that I don't lose everything. So yeah, that is the state of the spinach. Pretty frozen. And what I am most angry about, or really beating myself up about, is the onions. Oh my gosh. Again, my research says onions are pretty cold hardy. Like they can survive down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. But again, I don't think that's when it's sitting in ice like right now. Like maybe if I covered the onions, then it will survive that kind of temperature. 20 degrees Fahrenheit is pretty cold. Yeah. 20 degrees Fahrenheit is cold. My freezer right now is probably at what, 32, maybe 30, I don't know. That's the temperature in my freezer. So if this is 21, that tells you it is really, really cold. So yeah, I don't think the onions will make it. I had carrots over here, as you can see, and the carrots were quite young. So I just doubt that any of this will survive. I doubt. I doubt that the carrots will survive. As far as the bitter leaves, I'm not worried. Usually the bitter leaves survive this, but if they don't, it's okay. I have stems indoors. Now let's go check on what is happening with the broccoli over there. Yeah, guys, this is my backyard. Oh, it's crazy. Let's go check on what is happening with the broccoli. Oh, Nathan came out here and wrote his name on the snow. Okay. Nathan is my son. So, yeah, it's the broccoli. My broccoli plants, they're supposed to survive down to 26 degrees Fahrenheit. So, I doubt that any of this will make it after this. It's terrible. Yeah, tribe, Mother Nature has done its worst, but we do not give up. We don't give up. This is going to melt in a couple of days and then we'll start over. No problems at all. We'll start over. That's what we gardeners do. We are resilient human beings. What can I say? How did y'all's gardens do? How did you survive this? Let me know how your gardens did, and I will be back to let you know what happened with the plants that I covered, the ones that are behind me. I'll let you know if those survived once the snow has melted. Thank you for watching, and remember, regardless of what challenges we face as gardeners, let's continue to grow a garden, because when we grow a garden, we grow health. Bye, everyone.